Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys a simple recipe to make chana chaat. It's an easy recipe and the ingredients are affordable to you. So stay with us to see the whole recipe. So in order to make chana chaat, we need the following ingredients: 500 gram chickpeas, 1 cucumber, 1 onion, 2 or 3 tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, fresh coriander, Tamandrin sauce, 6 spoon Greek yogurt and 1 chili pepper. You can use any type of spices, but here is what I am about to use in this recipe: salt, red chili, paprika, coriander powder, ginger powder, aniseed, long pepper, dried mango powder, clove. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell icon in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. Method of preparation is: for this we need the soft chickpeas, and you can buy from any nearby store. Otherwise you can soak the chickpeas for 24 hours and after that you can boil them in order to make them soft. Now it's time to cut the vegetables such as cucumber, onion, tomatoes, and chili into small pieces. Once you are done cutting the vegetables and all the ingredients are ready, then simple, you can add all the ingredients and then add the spices, yogurt, and Tamandrin sauce, and mix properly until all ingredients are completely mixed. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell icon in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. And at the end you can garnish with fresh coriander. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.